So we did find the manufacturer date, November of 1974. So it's 3 years older than the one that I just restored previously. Alrighty, let's start cleaning it up. Okay, so this had a lot of grease or oil on the top, so let's spray some of that 409 on there. So we want to try to get some of that grease off there because the paint is not going to stick to the grease. That in. There you go. Okay, now it's not going to snap back in place. Go ahead, push. No, push the metal piece right here. Sure. It's okay. I can't do it holding the camera. There you go. Okay. Now you can pull that straight back. Use two hands. Straight back. Straight back. Wonderful.
The child arrived just the other day. He came to the world in the usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away. Before I knew it, he was talking, and as he grew, he'd say, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then, yeah. We're gonna have a good time then. My son turned 10 just the other day. He said, thanks for the ball, Dad, come on, let's play. Can you teach me to throw? I said, not today, got a lot to do. He said, that's okay. And he walked away, and a smile never dimmed. He said, I'm gonna be like him, yeah. You know I'm gonna be like him. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then, yeah. We're gonna have a good time then. Just the other day, so much like a man, I just had to say, son, I'm proud of you. Can you sit for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, what I'd really like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. See you later, can I have them, please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when. We'll get together then, Dad. We're gonna have a good time then. I've long since retired, my son's moved away. I called him up just the other day. I said, I'd like to see you if you don't mind. He said, I'd love to, Dad, if I could find the time. See, the new job's a hassle and the kids with the flu, but it's sure nice talking to you, Dad. It's been sure nice talking to you. And as I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, he'd grown up just like me. My boy was just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when, but we'll get together then, Dad. We're gonna have a good time then.
Alright, there you go. Sorry about missing that one piece there for you. So what do you think of your new tool chest?
Good.
I'll finish up the top part for you. Why don't you show the people how the drawers, everything works. Well, hopefully your grandfather will be watching this, and he can give you some more tools so you can fill that up. So how did you like working on this project?
Good.
What did you learn?
That you always have to be patient.
Yeah. That's a good one. All right. Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
All right.